everyone, it's Tiffany and Nova again with Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we have got another cute diagonal style for you that takes about 5 minutes. This one splits in the front and goes into 2 braids and then comes back
Mommy,
at a diagonal. What?
let's get started.
I sound like a broken record here, but we are going to spray the hair down with a little bit of water. Water is your friend when it comes to toddler hairstyles, as well as spray gel. And then I'm going to make a deep right side part it at the back of the crown, and then make another part maybe an inch or 2 above the ear. I'm going to secure this section off and then secure the rest back into a ponytail so it is out of the way. So working with this front section, I am going to part it in half at a diagonal. So coming from the back corner, we're going to part it in half, and I will end up right at the edge of her left eyebrow. This front area I'm going to secure off so I can put the back section into a ponytail. Now I'm going to secure the ponytail at the back corner, right at the back of the diagonal. And then this front section, we are also going to split in half at a diagonal. So I'm going to put this front section into a small ponytail. And the section right behind it that we just split in half, we are going to split into 3. Now to get even sections, we are going to come back right to the side of the ponytail, right in front of it. So not directly behind it, but right to the side. And then I will do that right to the side and behind it, and that way you get 3 even sections directly behind it. So that middle ponytail should be right in the middle behind that first ponytail, and then the other 2 are sort of off to the side. So after I've got all of these secured into elastics, you should have 1 ponytail at a diagonal in front, 3 behind it, and then your bigger ponytail behind that. So with this front section, I'm simply going to split it in half. The section directly behind it, I'm also going to split that in half. And then there's 3 strands on the right we're going to secure off for now because we're not going to be using them for a minute. These other 3 sections, we are just going to start a 3-strand braid. Now you want to keep it tight as you go back so that that front section looks tight and neat once you add it to the back ponytail. If you've got a loose braid, then that front section isn't going to quite lay right. Once I'm done with the 3-strand braid and it reaches to the back ponytail, I'm going to clip it into place for now. And then those 3 strands on the right that I had clipped off, we are going to do the same thing with those. We're just going to create a 3-strand braid all the way back. Now you could use the front ponytail and the 3 ponytails behind it to do this style, but I found that when you secure it to a ponytail back behind it, that it keeps it neater and it stays put all day long. So I'm going to take these 2 braids and simply secure them to this back ponytail here, and that is the finished style. I'm just going to clip in a bow and give you one final look. This style is great if your little one has shoulder length hair or longer. We want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give our video a big thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we will see you next time, right? Bye!